So if you want to reset your 8BitDo Ultimate controller, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to start with the controller turned off. Now before doing anything here, make sure your controller is powered off. So if it's connected to a console, PC or phone, disconnect it first. You want it completely off so the reset starts clean. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to press and hold the start button for about 8 seconds. Now keep holding it until the LED light either flashes quickly or turn off completely. Now that's the controller wiping its current connections, kind of like a soft factory reset if you're going to think about it. Now next is you want to watch the light closely. Now when the reset is complete, the LED will either blink rapidly and turn off or show a quick flash pattern. Now before stopping, once that happens, it means that the reset worked and your controller's memory is cleared. Now, next is you want to go ahead and just power your controller back on since it's been reset. It won't remember your old device, so you'll need to repair it just like when it was brand new. Simply put it in pairing mode again, connect it to your console, PC, or phone. Now, after connecting or reconnecting here, it's a good idea to open the 8BitDo Ultimate software on your computer or mobile device, and you can check for firmware updates or remap your buttons or profiles from scratch. That way, your controller runs as smoothly as possible. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.